Morning. In the last video we learnt about simple sentence and we were doing the sentence could be classified on the basis of the structure into three types. First we have done simple sentence. Today we are going to learn about compound sentence. Compound sentence. As I have already told you that we are going to do it slow so that because this is something very important, and as you have not done earlier, this needs time to understand. So you also try your best to make sure that you are full there into the book and the notebook. So let's see. Now the second type is compound sentence. From your book, is it clear? Just wait. I'll adjust the phone. Compound sentence contains two or more principal or main clauses joined together by a coordinating conjunction. Please underline with any colorful pen. I'll repeat again. Compound sentence contains two or more principal or main clauses. We have already done in the simple sentence. I've told you, beta, the principal or main clauses are totally independent. They don't need any other part of a sentence to tell the meaning. They are totally independent. That is why they are known as, the main clauses are also known as independent clauses. And now, in a simple sentence, there was only one principal clause where only one subject used to be there and the rest was the predicate. In the compound sentence, it contains two or more principal clauses. You understand? Now, there are going to be two sentences, and two sentences means two principal or main clauses there. With the example, you can understand more. See, we went to the market, but the shops were closed. Again, you go through, we went to the market. This is the main clause. This is a simple sentence. This sentence is not dependent on the later part. This is fully complete in itself. We went to the market. This is the main clause. The other part is the shops were closed. This is also the main clause because here also one subject is there, the predicate is there, and this is having the full meaning in itself. Now these two sentences are joined together, or the two main clauses are joined together by the coordinating conjunction. Coordinating conjunctions you are supposed to learn. I'm going to tell you, you are supposed to write it there in your notebooks, and gradually when you're going to learn those coordinating conjunctions, this is going to be very easy for you to find out which sentence is a compound sentence over there, because this is your base. From this, from key points, you are going to learn first, then gradually you are going to learn the full details. So don't worry, I'm going to repeat again because this is something really very new for you. Compound sentence contains two or more principal or main clauses joined together by coordinating conjunctions. Now come to the notebook so that we can write few things. Now this is the compound sentence, and now down you are going to write the coordinating conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions. There is one more chapter in your book, about conjunctions. They have given very detail over there. They have given in a very good detail. You can even go through that, although that is not in your syllabus. So coordinating, it's not in your syllabus in the first term. Coordinating conjunctions are like but, or, yet, and, but, or, yet, and, so. Keep on writing and start learning also. But, or, yet, and, so. But, I'm repeating again, but, or, yet, and, so, and the last is for. We are going to repeat again, and you are also going to repeat with me. But, All these are the coordinating conjunctions, because the compound sentence, there the two main clauses are joined together by the coordinating conjunctions. And coordinating conjunctions you are going to learn: but, or, yet, and, so, for. This you have to learn by heart. This is going to really help you out to find out more about the coordinating conjunctions. So let's see the examples over there once again of coordinating conjunction. I'm going to repeat this again. We went to the market, but the shops were closed. There are two main clauses joined by the coordinating conjunction but, and that is why this is known as compound sentence, where you are going to have two or more than two principal or main clause.